how to fix the error location access needed for the weather widget on the iPhone 16 series. So if you have added a widget to the home screen and it shows location access needed, what you need to do is go into settings. So on the home screen, tap on settings. Now in settings, we go back to the main settings page, then scroll down and tap on security and privacy. So it should be somewhere in here. So tap on security, privacy and security. Then we go down and tap on location services. Next, make sure you turn on location services. Then scroll down and tap on weather. In here, make sure you choose while using the app or widgets or always. So I'm going to tap on while using the app or widgets and then swipe up. Now shortly, you can see the weather widget will update itself and it will show the weather information and it will remove that error message. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.